Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2021 Renault Kangoo, stock number 6777. Planned from the 7th of 2016 to the 6th of 2022. It has an H5F 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the H5F 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front guard no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Right rear door no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear and right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.